How do you know what the policy limits are of the other driver who hit you? So, everybody that has an insurance policy in Texas, there's a certain amount of limits on that policy. The minimum limits in Texas is $30,000 per person, $60,000 per accident. So, if you and somebody else was involved in a car accident, and this person that hits you has a $30,000 per person, $60,000 per accident policy, that means that you can get no more than $30,000 from that policy individually. Now, if you had a passenger in your car or a couple passengers in your car, then all of you put together can get no more than $60,000 total for everybody's settlements. Now, if your medical bills start to get pretty high, the value of your case starts to get higher. And if the value of your case starts to get higher, you're going to want to know how much policy limits are available on the other side. I'm working a case right now where this gentleman's medical bills are around $32,000 right now. And he's been recommended to have multiple injections for his car accident that is going to push his medical bills up towards the $50,000 mark. Now, I know that at the end of the day, I can get these medical bills reduced lower, but he still has medical bills that are climbing. So I want to know now, how much are the policy limits on the other side? And does our client have underinsured motorist coverage, which protects you if you're underinsured? So say the other driver that hit him has $30,000. Well, if he has underinsured coverage, we can go get the $30,000 from the other driver, and then we can go through his own underinsured coverage to get additional money there. But for the sake of this video, I'm just talking about policy limits. So, we have middleman research companies that could find out what the policy limits are on drivers that cause accidents against our clients. Okay, there's a small fee that you pay, and they're able to go find out the limits of the other driver most of the time. Honestly, I don't even know how they do it, but they're able to do it. That's one way that you can get the policy limits of the other driver. The second way is you have to go to the insurance company yourself and ask them. Now, probably 85 to 90% of the time, they're going to tell you, we're not allowed to tell you that. Now, they could go to their policyholder and ask their policyholder, hey, policyholder, can we tell this person that's going after your policy how much limits you have on your policy? And if their insured tells them, yeah, go ahead and tell them, then they can call you back or let you know, okay, this is how much limits this person has. But if they say, no, I don't want them to know, then the insurance is going to tell you, I can't tell you what those policy limits are. Sorry. So, most of the time you end up in a situation where you have to use a middleman research company to find this information out. Me being in the industry now for 12 years, I've gotten a little creative with trying to find this information out. Sometimes I'll talk with the adjuster and get them this. They don't tell me the policy limits, but they maybe tell me what the policy limits are not. And then you could read between the lines to figure that out. It's a skill of the way you have that conversation, though, because if you don't say it right, you're not going to be able to find that answer. So, that's how you would do that. If you would like a free car accident case evaluation, whether it's just a car accident itself and that's what's going on, you don't have any questions about policy limits, you just have general overview questions about car accidents, you can reach out to me. Or if you have a specific question about your case involving policy limits, you can reach out to me directly and I can coach you and kind of help you navigate through how you can find out that information. I'll let you know if it would be beneficial to have some type of law firm on your side in this process, or I'll tell you that you don't need one. You're already there. I'll just tell you what you should do. I don't mind helping people out. I do it every single day. I've been on thousands and thousands of phone calls helping people through this industry. So text me 832-925-2030, or you can go to texascaraccidents.com, answer 5 questions, and I will personally call you and give you a free case evaluation. Hope this video has been helpful to you. Feel free to also ask questions in the comment section below. I always get back to people. Almost every single comment I always respond to. So God bless you and have a good day.